out here, just working. What's going on, guys? Just finishing up this Camaro. I just got done with my lunch. The tacos are really good. Out here in Santa Ana. I'm just replacing the bumper stripes, and it's like red, white, and blue. I'll show you up close. Let's see. So we got the blue stripe and red. Rather than doing it with knifeless tape, I just cut a 1-inch strip. It's way easier. That's it. Now that I got my stripes cut, I got blue, I got red, I got the white. Very American. Just gonna go ahead and lay it on. Need my squeegee. Okay, squeegee, knife. Let's knock this out because I gotta go do another job. For the most part, I'm just eyeballing it as far as like the distance. All right, got my red. Let's do it. Trim this up because I tucked it in, but it goes past where the bumper is, so it's all wrinkly. Gotta cut that. Trim it back. Now you can see the notch, but there's no plastic there, so that's why it was wrinkly. That Camaro all done. Off to the next job. I'm doing a clear bra on a front bumper of a truck, so stay tuned.
A few moments later.
As you saw, I totally screwed up that bumper install, that cut. Apparently I didn't cut it in that area, and it caused me to rip the film right in the middle of the bumper. So it wasn't salvageable. So I had to tear off the whole thing, redo it. I was pretty upset about it. Oh, I'm gonna get a coffee right here. Yeah, so just kind of a bummer. It's Friday, you know, and I just want to go home. Here we go, get some coffee. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and you kind of saw just kind of running around today. Just 2 jobs, kind of took up my whole day. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, as the guys at the shop told me to say, or you can just press it lightly, you know, whatever you like to do. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.